Thank you, Madam Chair. Mr. Cipollone, the ECB in its own materials, like the report Programmable Payments in Digital Euro of 2022 and the European Data Protection Supervisor's Tech Dispatch from 2023, discusses the notion of programmable features in the context of CBDC design and the digital euro. So could you clarify whether and how the ECB plans to ensure that such features such as conditional usage, time-based restrictions, or policy-targeted functionalities will not compromise individual freedom over the use of the citizens' own money? And what safeguards are envisaged to prevent potential misuse or unintended consequences when these functionalities evolve in the digital euro? Thank you.
Thank you for this question, which is very important because it allows me to clarify that the ECB has no possibility to, let me put in a different way. What we are doing is providing a technical possibility to run conditional payments, but the condition are not the ECB that are porting all the payments will be initiated through PSP to the banks or the service provider. Those are the ones that will initiate. So the citizen will go, the customer will go to his bank or his PSP and decide together that that amount of money has to be transferred to that specific person at that condition. It's not the ECB that is going to do that. The ECB does not even, is the trick. What is important is that you put in the system the possibility to do that. It's very technical, but per se the ECB is not able to impose any condition. It's part of the service that the PSP will offer. It's not the ECB that is going to put any condition on the payment itself, because the ECB does not see the client. The relation between the initiation of the payments rests in the relationship between the customer and the banks. So. The ECB just processes the payment and registers the payment so that you will be sure that your money is there or the money of the whatever. So the ECB is a ledger. The ECB runs a ledger that records the transaction. Now, why the transactions are made for, this is not the business of the ECB. This rests in the relationship between the client and the ECB. I insist on this concept of the difference between programmability and condition. Programmability is a concept that relates to this idea that one specific token can be used only for certain specific usage. That's not the case. We are not imposing any restriction on the money that we issue. The banknotes can be used everywhere. The same will be for the digital euro. So that's very important to understand. It's not a token that you can use only to buy alcohol or whatever you want. This is not what we are imposing. We are providing the system with a technical feature that allows conditional payments, which is exactly what I said. This money goes to this person when this condition is met. But once the condition is met, the money is good as any other piece of money.